Oh, uh, konnichiwa. So, I live in Oregon, and it ames a lot in the fall and winter. So, yeah, not so much ame in the summertime, but Oregonians, we love the ame. We call it liquid sunshine, whatever sunshine is in Japanese. Yeah. So we do everything in the ame in the wintertime, like walk the dog in the ame, or ride the bike in the ame, or go running in the ame and the mud, or go fishing in the ame, or go to the store in the ame, or drive ATVs in the ame and the mud, or drive a car in the ame, or play football in the ame and the mud if it's a grass field. Not so much if it's turf. But anyways, or play soccer in the ame. Or maybe basketball in the ame. Yeah, or go to a concert in the ame, though not so much. Anyways, yeah, that's the stuff we like to do in the ame out in Oregon. Yeah.